Are you grappling with dating app fatigue in 2025, feeling like finding a genuine connection is a second full-time job? You're definitely not alone in this digital dating struggle. However, despite the burnout, dating apps remain one of the most reliable avenues to meet new people and find a partner. The real secret to success isn't endlessly swiping, but rather choosing the right app that aligns perfectly with what you're truly seeking. Don't waste another swipe or subscription fee. We've done the hard work for you, and you can find direct links to these top dating apps in the video description below to kickstart your love life today. Our first top pick, number 1, AdultFriendFinder, stands out as the ultimate choice for those seeking casual connections and fun without commitment. For finding quick hookups and exploring various options, number 2, Tinder remains an undeniable leader, consistently delivering results for millions. If you're hoping for regular meetups and building more meaningful relationships, number 3, Hinge has gained immense popularity by focusing on deeper profiles and conversation starters. When serious commitment is on your mind, number 4, eharmony is renowned for its comprehensive compatibility matching system designed to find long-term partners. Lastly, for women who prefer to take the lead in initiating conversations, number 5, Bumble offers a unique female-first messaging approach, empowering users and fostering respectful interactions. By understanding your intentions and picking the right platform from these best dating apps of 2025, you can dramatically improve your success rate and finally find your perfect match.